So here it is. This 1988 Yugo GVX sat in the southern Arizona desert for at least 15 years. How do I know that? Because the license plate tags expired in March 2005. So we got it from desert here to a shop. So what I did is inspect the whole vehicle and see what the damage is. As you can see, the interior completely disintegrated from the harsh Arizona sun. Interior doesn't look that good at all. This is the federal sticker that came off due to the heat, and that is required sometimes when you go to missions. But the sticker is made in such poor quality that it comes off so easily. Only 21,000 miles. As you well know, these Yugos, they didn't last long. People break them. They don't maintain them. They used to be the cheapest car in the USA back in the 80s. See, the previous owner installed a electrical pump and 2 filters in line. Probably the fuel tank is all dirty. Radiator is all dry and full of calcium buildup. So that's gonna have to be cleaned up. As you can see, the rat ate up some of the wires, so I have to patch these wires before I attempt to start the vehicle. It's not too bad, only like 20 wires here and there. All the emission system on it is all deleted. You see the tag, March of 2005. License plate is all faded from the sun. Here we got to the engine. We're gonna spin it. Yes, it spins, so it's not seized up. Good news. I got the interior cleaned up and fixed the seat with a shrink wrap the best that I could. Got to these wires that rat ate up, patched them all up, as you can see. Make sure I didn't miss any wires. Put them back in its place where they belong. Looking all good. Now we inspected everything under the vehicle and found out that there's a crack on the frame. And we also going to use this opportunity to bleed the brakes, make sure the brakes work. And we're going to weld that later. See, previous owner was welding that arm there. Let's see what's inside the fuel tank to see if it's all dried up and gunky, and it's not. The fuel is still old and liquid. That's good news. Just need to flush it all out. I had to clean out the line, the fuel line that goes to the engine. It was all clogged up. See, and I had to remove the carpet to get to the line, remove it. Straighten out the line and then push the wire through it. I installed the new fuel lines, new fuel filter, cleaned up the engine bay, fixed everything around it, and we're gonna attempt to start it. Put some fuel in the carburetor. There you go, guys. You saw, started right up. Now I gotta fix that frame before I go test drive it. Weld it all up. All welded good. Now let's go for a test drive, see if it runs good. There you go, guys. You saw the proof why the Yugo is the best ever foreign car imported into the United States. You can leave it in the desert for 15 years and you put some fuel in it and it'll still start and run. Amazing. What do you guys think? Is the Yugo the best car ever imported to the United States of America? Thumbs up. Watch the other videos on my channel. Like the videos, and I'll see you next time.